After having my baby and going through my postpartum hair loss, I was looking for something to help with my hair growth. That's when I found Batana oil. This oil is amazing. So it's 100% organic, which I love. It comes with a nice little dropper. The smell is amazing. It has a very nice nutty fragrance to it. So the texture, it's not too sticky. It's actually very absorbent. I don't know if you can see. It's not going to leave it all greasy and stuff. It absorbs right into my skin. Now this is amazing for strengthening and thickening your hair. It's also great for your skin to help nourish your skin. So what you're going to do and how I use it is I use it for the hair right at the crown of your head up here. That get all these little hairs that start growing back from losing it here. So what I'm going to do is you're going to take it and you're just going to put it right around the top here. Then you're going to massage that in. You can also put it all throughout your hair too. So you're going to massage it in. And once it's massaged in, you're going to go ahead and put it up in a shower cap and you're going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and jump in the shower, shampoo it, condition it, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a way to help nourish your skin and your hair, I highly recommend this oil. Thanks for watching.